if I don't have this conversation, let's have this conversation. It's uncomfortable, but I think we should have this conversation. So attention all photo booth rental business owners. When someone asks you how's business, we usually say it's going great. And it's maybe not going great. Maybe it's barely trotting along, barely making ends meet. But because one, our ego won't allow us to tell someone, hey, we're hurting or we're not doing so hot, that we sugarcoat stuff. Or it could be that we just want to remain positive, so we don't want to say it out loud because we want to continue being on that positive vibration and ride that wave into success. But here's the thing, let's just be honest and transparent with one another. Because if we start there, then we can start really diving into the root of the problem or really expanding on methods and strategies that are really working. Now keep in mind, once you have those strategies and methods, it takes more than just that, because now you have to have execution. If you have no execution, no willpower to execute, then chances are you took that information, but you're not gonna apply it. What I wanna do is I wanna reach out to photo booth business owners across the United States and maybe have 2 representatives from Texas, another 2 representatives from New York. I just wanna get 2 big photo booth businesses from every state so that we can come together on a group Zoom call and talk about the economy. How is it affecting the photo booth industry? What are some of the trends right now? What things could we be doing differently right now? What things are working? What things are not really working anymore, have become obsolete? This is a conversation that we need to have openly. So I'm looking to have and build a tight group of photo booth business owners. I guess you can call this like a mastermind group. I think it's time. Time is ticking away. We're only getting older, so we might as well grow old together, but fill our lives with success and great people around us. I welcome you guys all. I'm gonna go ahead and put my email right here. This is the email right there. When you guys, please text me your Google profile, and I need you guys to have at least 10 events under your belt. I'll see you guys soon. I hope this video struck a nerve, got you thinking, because quite honestly, if we're not moving forward, we're falling behind. Take care, peace.